Hello folks, happy Monday. Hope everybody has a blessed day this day and this week. Hope y'all have a blessed week. This is going to be a short video. We showed you planting our garlic. Well, today we're going to be planting the garlic bulbils, however you say that there. We had showed you we'd saved some scapes, and today we're going to plant them in here, and we're basically going to do it. We're using this masonry tub here. These things are handy. We've just got some holes drilled in the bottom of this one there for drainage. And we've got one down there where Carolyn had strawberries in. We actually made it into a wicking tub. But anyway, we've moistened the soil and we're going to plant these here. Same way, going to put some sulfur in here and shake it up in the bag. And then we'll just put them down in to the soil, and then I've got some straw. We'll sprinkle that over top. We're just doing it inside the high tunnel here today. You can probably hear the plastic every now and then slapping there from the wind. It is a windy day. I done been up in the woods this morning. I know you shouldn't be in the woods when it's windy, but it's a good thing I did. It had blowed one dead tree across the fence and got that straightened up. But anyway, let's get started with this here. This, like I said, this will be a quick video for you, and then hopefully it'll save you money in the long run, because if you think about it, now I know next year these will just be a little bulb, one little clove. But if what you do, if you'll save them every year and just keep planting them, by the third year, you should be getting full-size cloves or close to it. So eventually, if you plant every year, take your scapes, save some, plant them like we're getting ready to do here, you should be able to eventually not have to buy garlic. Just keep replanting your own, just over and over. So I know anybody's planted garlic, they know it's costly. But hopefully this is our thinking anyway. Hopefully it works out. It may not, but all we're out of is a little bit of time. These here's already been bought and paid for. They came off our scapes last year when we done it. We just let them dry out. Alrighty. Now I've done already pre-moistened this soil. Put fresh potting soil in here, and then like I said, we'll take some straw after we're done, put over the top of it, and then just be sure to keep your soil moist. You don't want it drenching with water, but you need to keep it moist, because if you don't, the little fellers will die. So let's get started. I'll pour a little bit of, it won't take a whole lot for this here. Put the sulfur down in here. The sulfur, once again, it helps keep it from getting disease, and then also helps keep it from rotting. And when we get done, we'll sprinkle a little bit on top again, just like we did the garlic. Hopefully the wind don't knock that. Plastic's been a-blowing pretty good. Close that up, shake them around good. And then what we'll do, tell you what, just pour these out. There you can see them there.
Now, if you're wearing any silver.
Yeah, Carolyn's a, tell them, Shug.
If you're wearing any silver, like rings, whatever, do not, I would take them off. My silver ring got tarnished. It turned plumb black. When I
by that evening it was done.
So I advise you to take them off if you're wearing any silver rings.
And then all we're going to do, I ain't going to take you through the whole thing here, because Lord have mercy, we've got a bunch here. I'm just going to take them, press them down into the soil, cover it up. And then hopefully come spring, these little furs will start growing. Lord willing, we'll be around to show you that. I gotta stop my assistant here. Now look, Dixie, you caused me to lose. Where is that? There we go.
You can put them in either way, you said.
From what I read, you can put them in either way. We're going to go ahead and still put the pointy side up. And then just, we're not going real deep on them there. I'm going to get Carolyn to put the camera down here in a minute. She can help. Got your ring on?
Yeah.
Oh no, take that ring off.
I'll use my right hand, I won't.
All right. But no, hopefully this will help some people out. Like I said, you won't be able to, all you'll have next year is just one clove. And then just keep planting it year after year, and then it should work out. Alrighty, folks. Hopefully, Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday for What's for Supper Wednesday. Hope y'all have a blessed week this week. Stay safe, Lord willing. We'll be seeing you soon. Thank y'all for watching.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.